How to do a front lunge to front kick, a powerful combination move for strength, balance, coordination, and mobility. Muscles worked: quads, hamstrings, glutes, hip flexors, core, calves, balance and stability muscles. 1. Starting position. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Engage your core and keep your shoulders back. Hands can be on your hips or in a guard position, fists up near your chest. 2. Step into a front lunge. Step your right foot forward into a lunge. Bend both knees to about 90°. Your back knee should hover above the floor, and your front knee should stay stacked over your ankle. Keep your chest up and core tight. 3. Transition to front kick. Push through your front heel to rise up out of the lunge. As you rise, lift your back leg, left forward, and kick straight out in front of you. The kick should be controlled, not a wild swing. Keep your foot flexed, toes up, or pointed depending on preference. 4. Return to start. After the kick, step the kicking leg back to the starting stance. Repeat on the same side or alternate legs. 8 to 12 reps per leg, 2 to 3 sets. For cardio, alternate legs continuously for 30 to 60 seconds. Control the kick. Don't sacrifice form for height. Stay balanced by tightening your core before each kick. Keep your torso upright during the lunge. Start slow and increase speed only when you're stable. Progressions. Add light dumbbells or wrist weights. Add a hop between reps for cardio. Perform in front of a mirror to watch your balance and alignment. Please check my next video.